In this video, I will show you how to control and use Android TV without the remote control. So if your Android Smart TV remote actually got spoiled or for some reasons you misplaced it, this video is going to be a very helpful one for you. So first things first, you want to come over to your mobile phone, and in your mobile phone, you want to go over to the Google Play Store or the App Store of your mobile phone. And then on the top search bar, you want to go ahead and search for Android TV remote control. You can basically see my search over here, and then you just want to scroll down and download this particular Android TV remote over here. The name is Remote Control for Android TV. So just go ahead and download and install this app into your mobile phone. Now, mind you, this works for both Android and iOS devices. Now, once the app is downloaded and installed, before you open it up, you want to swipe down and make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your TV. So you can basically see my Wi-Fi over here, and this is actually the same Wi-Fi that my TV is currently connected to. So you want to go ahead and make sure that your smartphone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi as your TV. Now, once that is done, you want to come over to your mobile phone again, and then go ahead and open up the app that we just downloaded. And once the app finishes to load, you're going to see your TV as one of the devices you can actually connect to from the app over here. So you just want to go ahead and click on your TV. That is the name of your TV. Now, it's going to ask you to pair with your TV. So you want to make sure you enter the code that is being displayed on your TV. So I'm just going to enter the code over here, then click on OK. And now I can control my Android TV using this virtual remote over here. So I can basically use the navigation buttons over here to basically control my TV. And you can see that it actually works perfectly well. Also, if you're unable to connect your TV to the Wi-Fi because you actually do not have a remote control, I have made a video on how to connect your Android TV to internet Wi-Fi even without a remote control. So I'm going to leave a link to that particular video in the description of this video, and you're going to also see it in the screen here. So you can basically go ahead and check out that video if actually you're unable to connect your Android TV to the internet Wi-Fi for this whole process to work out for you. So just go ahead and check out that video, and once you check out that video, you should be able to connect your Android TV to the internet Wi-Fi even though you do not have a remote control. That will be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.